Hi guys, welcome back to Social Adventures' new YouTube series. Today we're going to be looking through the content of the Neighbourhood Packs, which we have now sent out to all members, and looking at what you get in them and how you can get involved and keep yourself entertained and busy whilst at home. So in your Neighbourhood Packs, you should have the following. You should have a guided journal, 30 days of self-confidence, which you can fill in over the month. Check on your progress, check on how you're feeling, check in with yourself, really important. You should have some different yoga poses that you can do at home. You should have a couple of change for life recipes and methods. So here we've got cheese pizza calzone recipe and the tuna and potato salad recipe, both lovely. There are some mindfulness colouring pictures for you to do, along with some crayons. If you do them, take a picture, upload them to social media. Let's have a look at what you're getting up to. And then you should also get your It Can't Rain Forever badge, scented candle, and a couple of other little bits and bobs leaflets just to give some information. With that comes the exciting bit. A load of different quizzes that you can do. 101 best riddles. We've got general knowledge quizzes, kids quizzes, quizzes you can do with the family, comedy catchphrase quizzes. So yeah, we've got a whole pack of different quizzes. Let us know how you get on. Let us know if you get through them all. It'd be great to hear your feedback and your responses. Yeah, enjoy the packs.